How long does the claims process take? The claims process has 5 potential components to it. 1. Initial application. 2. Request for reconsideration. 3. Request for a hearing before an administrative law judge. 4. The appeals council. And 5. Federal court. Once an initial application is filed in Utah, it typically takes 1 to 6 months to get a response. If you are denied, you can file a request for reconsideration. In Utah, once a request for reconsideration is filed, it takes 1 to 6 months to get a response. If you are denied, you can file a request for a hearing in front of an administrative law judge. In Utah right now, there is a big backlog that is slowing things down, so you will wait between 12 and 18 months before a hearing will be scheduled with an administrative law judge. If you choose to appeal the administrative law judge's decision, you can file a request for review by the appeals council. At the appeals council, they are no longer determining whether or not you're disabled, rather, whether the judge made a legal error in his analysis. This process can also take between 12 and 18 months. If you choose to appeal the appeals council's response, you will go to federal court, and there is no typical time frame for that process as each case is unique. The denial rate at the first 2 phases is very high. For this reason, it is very common for cases to go to an administrative law judge, the appeals council, or even federal court. In summary, throughout this presentation, we have provided valuable information that will help you and your family understand the purpose of Social Security disability benefits, determine whether you may be eligible to make a claim, and the process by which your claim will be evaluated. Not understanding what is expected of you could result in a 2.5-year process, which leaves you consistently wondering why you've been denied and where to go next. However, these benefits can provide desperately needed financial and medical resources which can sustain you when you are no longer able to work. You may have determined that this is a complicated process that can be intimidating. We hope that we have simplified it enough for you to get an idea of what a claim is like. If you have further questions, you may want to talk to a Social Security disability attorney about the specifics of your claim. We hope this presentation has given you new insight on what a Social Security disability claim is and what you should be thinking about as you entertain making a claim. We truly want to thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation.